Did you know that eating this with sweet pumpkin can actually harm your health? Just like there are foods that go well with pumpkin, which are good for your health, there are also foods that have the best combinations and those that have bad combinations. Even though sweet pumpkin are good for your health, you need to eat them properly for them to benefit your body. Eating unhealthy foods along with them can actually harm your health. That's why I've prepared this. I will tell you about 3 foods that are the worst combination with sweet pumpkin and 3 foods that are the best combination. All for the protecting your health. Hello, I'm your friendly health guide, Dr. John. Haven't subscribed yet? Please hit the subscribe and like buttons right away. Don't forget to share with your loved ones and introduce Dr. John to them as well. I'll continue to bring you the best health information. When we eat, we don't just consume one ingredient. Each dish combines flavors and nutrients to complement each other. However, just because foods taste good together, doesn't mean they're nutritionally compatible. Consuming foods with poor combinations can actually harm our bodies, potentially harming your health. Natural ingredients all contain their own beneficial nutrients. Knowing and consuming these nutrients is the best habit for our health. Dr. John is always here to support your well-being. Today's star is none other than pumpkin, a powerhouse for vascular health. As the breeze sets in, sweet and nutritious pumpkins are in season. Did you know that among the healthy vegetables, pumpkins rank high in beta-glucan, effective in removing free radicals and reducing cholesterol? In fact, pumpkins contain 26 times more beta-glucan than zucchini and 6 times more than matured pumpkins. But did you know that despite pumpkins' health benefits, there are foods that, when eaten together, can actually counteract its positive effects? From now on, as we explore 3 worst combinations that can boost your immune system, and 3 best combinations that can protect our health when eaten together with pumpkin. First, the worst pumpkin dish is pumpkin juice and tea. Are you surprised? Many people consume pumpkin as juice or tea because of its natural sweetness and diuretic effect, which helps reduce bloating. Yes, consuming pumpkin as juice allows you to consume not only the flesh, but also the skin and seeds, making it the best way to enjoy its benefits. Especially, pumpkin seeds are rich in vitamin E and essential amino acids, improving brain health and promoting blood circulation. Moreover, the abundant vitamin A in pumpkin helps eliminate waste from the body, leading to a significant diuretic effect, and its high starch content aids digestion. However, pay attention here. This beneficial diuretic effect can be too much for those with weak kidneys or overall health. The reason is that pumpkin's diuretic effect is too strong. The citrulline component directly affects the kidneys, which are responsible for eliminating toxins from the body. Furthermore, if you are taking diuretic medications for conditions like hypertension or hyperlipidemia, consuming pumpkin juice can severely affect your kidneys, so be especially cautious. Also, if your kidneys are weak, consuming pumpkin juice can increase potassium levels, potentially leading to dangerous heart arrhythmias. Does this mean you should never eat pumpkin if you have weak kidneys? No, pumpkins are rich in potassium, which helps excrete sodium from the body, stabilizes blood pressure, and protects the kidneys. Instead of consuming juice or tea, chew pumpkin directly to ensure you get all the dietary fiber, making it the best choice. Then, here, the first recommended food that goes best with pumpkin is red beans. Have you ever tried pumpkin porridge with red beans? And red beans or paste of it with the pumpkin salad has got fame in these days. Yes, pumpkin and red beans are a perfect match. The fiber in red beans stimulates the intestines, which is good for constipation, but if you have a weak stomach, gas can easily occur. That's when eating pumpkin together complements the drawbacks of red beans perfectly. It protects the delicate stomach, aids digestion and absorption, making it the best combination. Moreover, the saponins, vitamin B1, and various minerals in red beans perfectly complement the nutrients lacking in pumpkin, which is really beneficial. But wait! Earlier, we mentioned not to consume pumpkin juice due to its diuretic effect, and now we're suggesting eating red beans, which are famous for their diuretic effect, along with pumpkin. Doesn't it sound a bit strange? Yes. The key point is that consuming juice or tea concentrates the ingredients. While it concentrates the beneficial components, it also concentrates substances that can be taxing on the body. So, eating pumpkin and red beans directly from nature is the healthiest choice. The second worst combination to eat with pumpkin is vinegar. At one time, due to the popularity of fermented vinegar, pumpkin vinegar and squash vinegar became extremely popular. However, pumpkin and vinegar are not a good combination, especially when fermented vinegar is made with lots of sugar. The reason is that the acetic acid in vinegar destroys all the vitamins in pumpkin, which are abundant in vitamins A, B, and C, known for protecting your healthy cells. They boost immunity and help prevent colds. Therefore, pumpkin is a great way to stay warm in the chilly weather, helping you fight off winter colds. Additionally, the beta-carotene abundant in pumpkin is excellent for relieving phlegm and coughs. It alleviates bronchial inflammation and is excellent for preventing lung diseases and respiration problems. Interestingly, pumpkin contains vitamin B12, which is mainly found in animal products. It's a fantastic food for treating anemia and nerve sensitivity symptoms. However, consuming such beneficial pumpkin with vinegar renders it useless. So, in the future, avoid fermenting pumpkin into vinegar and consume them separately. Then, here, instead of pumpkin with vinegar, the second recommended food to enjoy with pumpkin is duck meat. Isn't it surprising? When you go to a duck restaurant, you often find pumpkin served alongside duck meat. It not only tastes delicious but also forms an excellent combination for your health. As mentioned earlier, the vitamins in pumpkin, especially beta-carotene, are fat-soluble. Simply consuming them may not lead to significant absorption, but when consumed with oil, the absorption rate is maximized. At this point, incorporating healthy unsaturated fatty acids found abundantly in duck meat is excellent. The fatty acids in duck meat, combined with the vitamins in pumpkin, work wonders by detoxifying the body and eliminating bad cholesterol, thereby alleviating chronic inflammation. So, in the future, make sure to enjoy pumpkin with duck meat and reap the benefits of all those fantastic nutrients. Finally, the third group of people who should avoid consuming pumpkin are those with weak digestion. You might find it strange that pumpkin is considered good for digestion, right? That's correct. While pumpkin is rich in dietary fiber, excessive fiber intake can lead to indigestion in individuals with weak digestion. Additionally, pumpkin sometimes has a slightly bitter taste. This bitterness is due to cucurbitacin, a natural toxin produced by plants to protect themselves from pests. While consuming small amounts or fresh pumpkin poses no problem, excessive intake or consumption by individuals with weak digestion can lead to abdominal pain, stomach inflammation, gastritis, or even gastrointestinal cramps. Therefore, it's crucial to be cautious and avoid overconsumption of pumpkin, especially if you have a sensitive stomach or weak digestion. Then, the last best food to eat with pumpkin is broccoli. Pumpkin is sweet but not high in sugar, making it an excellent choice for those with diabetes. This is because of the cobalt content in pumpkin, which helps regulate metabolism and lower fasting blood sugar levels. Moreover, it supports hematopoiesis, the process of blood cell formation, making it particularly beneficial. But here's the kicker. When you consume pumpkin with broccoli, it creates an amazing synergy. Broccoli is renowned for its high iron content. When eaten together with pumpkin, the vitamin C in pumpkin helps enhance the absorption of iron, ensuring that clean blood circulates throughout our bodies. Therefore, in the future, be sure to eat broccoli and pumpkin together. Oh, and a quick tip. Have you been peeling the pumpkin and only consuming the flesh? Well, you should know that the skin of the pumpkin contains potent anti-disease compounds called phenolic acids, which are not found in the flesh. So, remember to eat the skin too. So far, we've explored 3 worst combinations and 3 best combinations to eat with pumpkin. Shall we summarize them together? Avoid consuming pumpkin juice or tea concentrate. Instead, always pair it with red beans. Also, avoid combining pumpkin with vinegar instead. Enjoy it with duck meat to ensure you get all the nutrients. For those with digestive issues, be cautious not to consume too much fiber instead. Always eat it with broccoli. How do you feel about that? I hope you've been cooking pumpkin and its best combinations to maintain your health. Thank you so much for spending time with Dr. John. If today's video was helpful, please subscribe and like it. Also, please share it with your precious family and friends. I'll always pray for your health and happiness. It's been Dr. John. Thank you.